Hi, my name is Mckenna Shepherd. I am in 8th grade and today I'm going to be taking you through a lesson of how to make honey herb balsamic vinaigrette. Some of the ingredients you will need are garlic, pepper, Dijon mustard, oregano, salt, basil, marjoram, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and honey. Now I have all of my ingredients laid out here, and now we're gonna start putting all of our ingredients into the blender. So to start off, you're gonna want 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and now we're gonna want 1 tablespoon of honey. Next, we're going to add our balsamic vinegar. We're going to add 1/3 cup. So now that we've added our Dijon mustard, our balsamic vinegar, and our honey, we're going to go ahead and get into adding our spices. I'm adding my marjoram, and this is 1 teaspoon of marjoram. And now, for some basil, 1 tablespoon of basil, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and we're going to add 1 full clove of chopped garlic, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper as well. So now we're done adding all of our ingredients, except for the olive oil. We're going to add that in while we're blending to emulsify the salad dressing. So now we're going to process all of our ingredients except for our olive oil in the blender on low speed. Now our dressing is ready. So now to taste our final product. It definitely incorporated all the flavors so well. It's sweet, tangy, and delicious. It makes me want a salad.